Do you feel shy when speaking English? Your heart beats fast, and suddenly, you don't know what to say. You worry too much. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? What if my pronunciation is bad? But listen carefully. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner too. Nobody starts perfect. Mistakes are normal. In fact, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Imagine a baby learning to walk. Do they fall down? Yes, but they still keep trying. English works the same way. The biggest problem is not grammar. The biggest problem is fear. Fear stops your mouth from speaking. So today, stop trying to sound perfect. Focus on communication. Even simple English is powerful. For example, instead of staying silent, say simple sentences like, "How are you? I need help. I understand." Small English is still English. Confidence grows when you speak more often, not when you stay silent. Practice speaking alone first. Talk in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Repeat simple sentences daily. At first, you may feel uncomfortable, but slowly, speaking becomes easier. Remember this? People care less about your mistakes than you think. Most people are busy thinking about themselves. So stop overthinking, take a deep breath, and just speak. Now, repeat after me. I am not afraid to speak English. My mistakes help me improve. I can become fluent. Comment below what makes you shy while speaking English, and subscribe for more easy English videos.